Okay, put that arm on that knee and turn that chest towards me. And take deep breaths in through your nose and out through your mouth. Oh, the stretch feels so good. Okay, stand it up and pull this leg in and push that booty out. Next up, that toe, raise it up and down, up and down. Good work. Hold it up and slowly raise yourself up one vertebrae at a time. Okay, turn it to the other side. Okay, rest that arm on that knee and turn that chest towards me. Pull it up, pull this leg in, and sit back in that hip. Okay, toe up and down, and up and down. Okay, hold it up. And lift yourself up one vertebrae at a time, making sure you keep these ab muscles engaged. Okay, keep these arms up. Left arm goes back. Hand touching your back. And pull it back. Feel that stretch, you guys? Okay, switch to the right arm. Okay, release it. Okay, roll these shoulders. And reverse it to opposite direction. Give me a breath in. And one more. In, out. Excellent work.